1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number blocks. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number blocks. 1 and another one is 2 and another one is me. That's 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time for some number fun. You can count on us with the number blocks.
A little further. A little further. A little further. There. We're locked on to the signal. The hyper booster is ready for use. But the signal won't last long. Timestables, you know what to do. Attention, Numberland. We're picking up a mysterious signal from the depths of space. We need brave explorers to help us investigate where it's coming from. So if you're bold enough to answer the call, jump on a times table and join the Space Division.
Did someone call for a brave explorer?
Welcome to Space Division 21. Look, this screen shows the signal we're receiving. It looks just like the space cloud. Something out of this world is happening there, but we don't know what. So I'm putting together a team to go and investigate. Using this, the Hyper Booster. Find a slot that's the same size as you, and it will send you soaring towards the source of the signal.
Well, I came here on the 7 times table, so I can make 3 sevens!
Great! If you head up to row number 7 and go to the 3rd slot.
Oh, it's a perfect fit! 3 lots of 7.
3 times 7 is...
21!
Oh, that's an impressive grid. I could play all sorts of games on that.
Just the sort of friendly, playful spirit we need in Space Division 54. We're starting to lose the signal. We need to find where you fit, and fast.
Well, that's easy. For grid games galore, call 54.
Oh, yes! You can divide into 9s. 6 of them.
I'm 6 times 9. I'm also 9 times 6.
6 times 9 is the same as 9 times 6. Your choice.
6 times 9. 54!
My turn now! This superhero is super ready for a bold journey! In a colourful fix, call 56!
7 8s. The Rainbow 8s.
Your Rainbow 8s tell me exactly where you'll fit into the grid. You're 7 times 8.
56!
The signal is fading.
Oh no! Am I too late to join? I'm 63. I'm...
9 sevens! 9 grey sevens!
Oh, yes. So you're 9 times 7.
63! Yeah!
Only time for one more boost.
Wait! I want to come with you this time!
And so you can, little one. You don't need to be big to join Space Division, just eager to keep exploring.
Always! 1 times 1.
10 times 10. New adventures, here we